How to change your username in Sausage Man. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and want to change your username, then first of all launch open Sausage Man app on your device. From the main lobby screen, tap on your profile avatar and then this will open personal info section. Now tap on the pencil button right next to your current name. Click on change name. Now, you'll need to go ahead and use your name card to change your name. If you've got a name card, write it down in the text box and click next. Go ahead and re-enter your new name once again and click next. And you have successfully changed your username in the game. So there you have it. That's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.